Here I have iPhone XS, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's choose settings. Here from the list of settings, you need to find and select the wallpaper right here. And here you can choose a new wallpaper. You can use some dynamic stills on live. In my case, let me use live wallpaper, the following one. And you can use here a couple of options. You can make it still, perspective, or live photos. Let me tap set. And of course you can set it on your lock screen, on your home screen, or you can set on your both screens. In my case, let me use for my lock screen. That's it. Now let me lock my device to check out my wallpaper. As you can see, this is the new wallpaper. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.